Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today, viewers, in front of me YOTON YB03 device, and I'm gonna show you how to set the feed timer on this device. To do it, you need to open the main menu and find here feeding timer and enable it to 2 hours to 3, 5 or 4 hours. Cool, that's it. If you wanna set up your manual timer, so click setting and set it up, for example 0 hours and 40 minutes, for example, so every 40 minutes. Click OK. That's it. As you can see, we have timer enabled. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye, see you.